episode. A much needed Pinterest room makeover because it's not too bad, but like a little bit. You know what? I'm gonna get on that right now. Winter break is actually about to end. I haven't done my homework yet, but I only have one thing of homework, so it's fine. Okay, these are the vibes I'm thinking. First, I was thinking like pink and cutesy, but I was like, no, like I kind of have a little bit of that going on right now. Brown, like wooden, like homey types of rooms that I want, and obviously I can't have them all at the same time. So I'm literally gonna try, this is kind of what the mood's gonna be. I have a salt lamp, for example, like some little light situations, homey and like cozy. But then when I get a big light, like a lamp, or like my LEDs on, then it's gonna give like something else. Like I don't know how to explain it, but like it's gonna work. It's time to Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest time. Okay, so this is my bedroom inspo board that but it's just like the one that I've had for a while. I definitely do want to have like some busy walls because all my walls are really empty. Okay, as I have like my vision board and my bookshelf in the background, but like I can't tell if I want like a kind of like, I don't know how to explain it, but like not messy, but just like a whatever this is, or if I want it to be like super like clean. And oh, this just reminded me of like my childhood and I really like it. It's very cute. I have that light. I think this is gonna be inspo for like my DIY desk, which is over there. That's what I'm calling it. At first I was just for my sewing machine, but it's kind of where I do all my like DIY stuff. It's my old desk. I have the cork board going on, and then I can put like some mini posters. The thing is, it's really hard to keep it clean over there, and I really need to, because if I'm doing anything other than sewing, then I have to have like two things going on my desk. So I don't think I should have all of this like clutter stuff. Not clutter, but like knickknacks and stuff. I'm just gonna decorate the walls around it. As you can see, I already have my vision board, and then I have like a wooden little circle right there that I got like 2 years ago because I wanted to paint it. Because when I see like wooden, like those random wooden things at Dollar Tree, I want to get them so bad to paint them. Or it's cute. I don't have one, but in the future it would be really cute. It's random because I saw it before. This would be so cool to have in my room though. I actually really want one. If I ever saw one like at a thrift store, I would get it. I'm serious. Iced coffee in a jar because I'm aesthetic, and then the straw is like so disproportionate. I also really like shabby chic, so I have no idea where I'm going with this. These aren't really the vibe I'm looking for. I'm looking for like brown, like stained glass. Anyways, I did a little bit more Pinterest lurking, and in my notes I have some like ideas of what I'm gonna do for like my bed area. That's where like the bulk of my posters is gonna be. Let's see if I can whip up like one of those crochet corner hangers, stuffed animals in it. I don't really have that many. I have like a little bear, but I have like enough. I don't actually sleep in my bed, fun fact. Actually using my little flower lamp. Craft area corner. First I'm gonna paint like the little wooden circle. Some more posters. I'm probably gonna do like varying sizes or like just mostly small ones. A bunch of just like junk on there, like not like junk, but like a little maximalist moment. So more posters. Magazines. I don't know if I still have like the magazines we used to get in the mail lurking around somewhere. I'll try to track those down. It's like mini records. I have some on my like book area, and I just have like this one lurking. I wanted to have, I'll put a photo of this, but I wanted to have like that thing that you just like put thread on. Thinking maybe I could DIY one with some cardboard, but I don't know. I also found this downstairs. This is my sister's, but this could definitely be used for, it could be used for thread or something else useful. For my desk, I don't really have a specific plan. I just want to clear it out as much as possible. More use of my salt lamp and my candle. Desk first because it's really making me mad how like not cute it is. So I'll get a before pic for you guys. Here I'm starting with my desk. My desk is like the center of all my stuff, and I have no idea how people can have like small desks because I have so much junk, and that's just where I keep it all. but it's hard not to have junk because when I go to clean, everything seems like it has to be there and I just don't know what to put away. At the top, I had some squishies and photos, but I took them off and I kept the little decorations, like this really cute reindeer on the top left. I never noticed like how aesthetic it was, like the little cable knit moment. So yeah, I also added like this snowman. It's so random, but yeah. I also decided to turn around some of the books, and those were all books that I had already read, so it didn't really matter. It's because I just wanted the color scheme to be a little bit less all over the place, so I just turned them around so that you wouldn't see their spines. I have no idea how to clean this thing like all the way. It's really difficult because it's a weird shape and I don't feel like hunting down a sponge, so this is the cleanest we're gonna get. Up y'all, coming at you from the basement. I got this from like my little craft, like it was actually like my slime, my little slime booth. Came down here because I knew I had like basically like this, but like it's not basket, it's just like a container and it has like sections in it, and I thought it'd be really good for my nail stuff. But there's like wait, let me go back and show you. So many freaking boxes. I have some of the big ones still in my room. Know that I definitely put some down here last time I like cleaned out my room. Here are all the boxes that are in here. As possible, but this is about like 7 minutes of scrubbing, but this has served many purposes. At one point it was for like yarn and stuff, or like a makeup stuff, so there more nail stuff, that's what I'll use it for. I just use it for like makeup that I don't use as often. I'm gonna wash my gouache dot and find something to put it on because I swear it's not clean. This isn't mine, so it's out here. Repurposed the bottle to hold my Q-tips for my cellar water. And I actually use this every day, I just don't have anything else to put it. So yeah. And the next section, this is like basically out, but if I'm really desperate, I can like squeeze out one little drop. This is also just for my nails, this is acetone. I need to dump it out and replace it, but you understand? This is also almost out, but I don't want to accept it, so these are eyelash curler replacement thingies. Eyeliner should be done. These are it's my finger highlighter, I can give it its own section. Not 100% sure if I feel done with my desk yet or not, so I'm moving on to the DIY corner. I'm tackling this one first, and I was looking on Pinterest to see like what I can do, because I was like, this is the one thing that I can like make it whatever I want, and I was like, what if I just do something that's already a circle? What's already a circle? A record. Okay, my phone died on me again. But basically what happened was, right now it's drying and I still have to do a little bit of cleanup and details on it. But while that's drying, start by using the holes that are already in my wall and hang stuff on those. Okay, so I added 3 butterflies. And 2 decorative mini records in my book area because it still has like extra records that I don't want. But leave it here. If anything, I'm only gonna put little things, but I think I'm gonna aim for 3 small posters to put. My sister's here. I think she has cookies. So she actually didn't come home with cookies. She came home with half of her paneer dinner. which is a key. It's cool and it's a key, but she didn't get anything I like, so. Coming at you from my closet. Option to listen to my current book, so that's what I'm doing. That means I can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm going to start crocheting my little web. Guys, do we think this is enough, perchance? Okay, you all, here is me looking for posters on Pinterest. It took me so long to pick the posters I want, and also took me so long to get them printed because the FedEx locations near me were like 3 times the price because they were like in hotel areas or something like that. So I couldn't, and they weren't going to be ready that day because I mixed it up with CVS, which is ready within the hour. So yeah, it was really complicated. Okay. I literally just got done editing all of the footage from before right now. Wow, like the quality and setup is actually trash for like this whole video. And it's still trash in this clip, but are here. We got the Vogue one, like white borders that I need to cut off. They warned me. They're like, this is low resolution, but somebody was like, just ignore it. Like how it looks on the screen is how it's gonna look. This is like a little bit grainy. Put it over in my like craft corner, or if I'm gonna put it over my bed. First look, like spring. Looks like this photo is like low-key the TV girl photo. I don't know if it's just the photo that they use for like fan stuff, or if it's actually TV girl and they just slapped it on the Mitski thing, but it's okay. The Mew one, which yeah, this one's definitely gonna be in my crafty corner. I hope the pictures are better quality than the plushy hammock. I'm gonna hang it a little bit differently so that it like takes up more space like the other way. I don't know how to explain that, but viva la juicy. I don't know if I'm gonna put it over my bed or if I'm gonna put it in that like, well, it's gonna be empty, like that area. Which I'm kind of sad that I downsized because something happened the second time I ordered, so that it was like a little bit more expensive. So I left out like 2 and I like sized down this one, but I really wish I got a full size of this one, but it's okay. Cinderella story. 2 of everything. It's a W if I didn't get charged twice, but if I got charged twice, if I just dropped $16 on duplicate posters, I'm about to be so mad. Money up. I just got my money up. Just cut the posters and I'm gonna put them up. Once I put them up and do a little bit of cleaning, we're gonna be done with this room makeover. So yeah, let's get started. I don't even know. It's gonna be so annoying to edit. 9 minutes yet. But I put up the 505 poster over there on my bookshelves, and now we're gonna tackle this area. New poster, and I don't know where I'm gonna put it. How do I manage to put it crooked every time? What's that? You want a room tour? Welcome to my room. It looks very orange right now, but I promise it's not. The bed area, okay. This is my one and only twin bed. Historical context for you. My sister's old bed that was white, and you might be like, oh my god, that bed is not white. So what had happened was my lovely, lovely desk is brown, so we had to keep the theme consistent. So my mom went through the labor of making this bed brown, which is not the same as just painting it brown. No, it was a whole process. A lot of YouTube research went into it, a lot of peeling, a lot of, I don't even know what the process was, but it did. I know it took multiple days, maybe even over a week. So what do we have on this bed? We have our lovely, lovely green vines, okay? Lovely satin pillowcases. Our lovely Gryffindor freaking pillow that was like $25 at the Harry Potter store in New York City. This ginormous bear that doesn't really sit right anymore because I think he lost some cotton over the years. One of my 4th birthday presents, and I just thought that I should welcome him back onto my bed. Some posters, just a few posters I've picked up along my life, you know. I didn't order them all at once. Poster, a First Love Late Spring poster, a Viva La Juicy poster, a Vogue poster, and another Cinderella poster, Cinderella story poster. The Selena Gomez one, not the other one. The one with freaking Tristan, bro. A canopy hammock for my stuffed animals, and my stuffed animals comprise of two. We have our lovely bear and my lovely My Melody. And then we have a real throwback that I've had since childhood. Of course, my flower lamp. I just realized that I forgot to do something. Now I'm sure you're thinking, wow, what a petite and minimalistic desk. I know. Lovely, lovely desk. There's no historical backstory. I just got it. I got a journal, my Create This book, unfinished notebooks, 2 CDs, my wallet, and my coin pouch. Yes, I have a wallet and a coin pouch. The New Testament in small form. I don't know how they put the whole New Testament in this little book, but it happened. Then I have my lovely salt lamp that I thrifted from Goodwill. It was $7, and it's probably the coolest thing that I own in my room. My candle, which would be lit right now if my mom hadn't taken the lighter, so spinny thingy. You guys know the historical context of this one. I have some books, they're all turned around for the aesthetic quality because their spines are ugly. 2 out of 3 of my glasses collection. Only one of them works. Some more books. Yeah, John Keats selected poems. I read poetry. Got my nail nook, okay? All my nail stuff in this little thing. Makeup brushes, my makeup, my skincare, my very, very nice, I don't know if I'm still in the shot, my jewelry collection. And I actually have a video of all the jewelry I own. So I'm going to freaking link that in this freaking video. Butters, very nice and awesome. Some skincare. My very, very aesthetically decorated laptop. And yes, 4 out of the 5 stickers on here are from my history t-shirt. And then, you know, we just have some knickknacks, some collector's items. What y'all know about butterbeer? YouTube, butterbeer is not real, by the way. So, crafty corner. Have here, guys. We're gonna do this in vlog mode. We have a bit of a junk wall. Oh, here's my newly hanging up mirror and that lamp that I don't know if I'm ever gonna use it again. Have my little junk collection. That is from Justice. That's from Amazon. That's from Amazon. That's from wherever I got Juicy Couture from. That's from FedEx. That's from FedEx. That's from Dollar Tree and I painted it. That's from, I don't know, my dad got it. That's from Hobby Lobby. And that is from Walmart, my very nice sewing machine. And those are the contents of my next project. I don't want to talk about the inside, okay? But I did neaten up this part, if you couldn't tell. Our top one, which is actually my vision board. Nicely sized bean bag. It's probably the biggest bean bag tray you've ever seen in your life. My bookshelf. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. It's still crooked, but it's okay. Area. I have 3 floating shelves. Amazon. My little fairy lights, likely from Amazon. They're a lot longer. I just put the remnants here because I didn't know where to put them. My little 505 poster and knickknacks on here that you'll see in a close-up. Hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoy having a much nicer room now. Sorry if the quality's bad. I just don't know why all the clips are like ugly. But yeah. See you guys next time. Bye. So finally, my room was all pretty and done up, but my closets and drawers are next weekend's adventure. Bye, everybody.